Welcome to how to make your phone charge faster iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to make your phone charge faster iPhone. But before the start of this video, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So basically there are two ways that you can do to make your iPhone charge faster. The first one is make sure that you are using the original charger. Okay, so if you are not using the real charger, so then basically it will not charge your iPhone fast, and it will also damage your iPhone's battery health as well. And the second method is whenever you charge your iPhone, turn it off. And to turn this off, you must go into the settings, then go to the general, and below you can see we have shutdown option. So if you tap on this shutdown option, your iPhone will be turned off, and then you need to just plug in it and then it will charge faster. Okay, so these are the two steps. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.